Today I'll be showing you how to add your own varieties to the Ezstamp software. You can add unlisted items or varieties that are not listed in the database very easily. The simplest way to do it is to bring up the main stamp if it's available in Ezstamp. So say for example this US stamp here, Scott lists a number 13 only. There are other varieties of this stamp, color varieties, different types of papers and vertical pairs and so forth. So let's create a variety on our own. Now these other varieties that Scott lists, they do not number. So you will have to create your own unique code for it. What I usually do is I'll use a V for variety. So I'll just go back to the Scott number, type in a V after it, and hit the tab or the enter key. And you'll be prompted to enter this stamp as a new variety as a main number or as a sub number. Since this is a variety of number 13, you'll enter it as a sub number. Now you can choose to have it copy all this information here so you don't have to retype it. Just use the copy filter button and make sure that these are all selected. You can select all or select none. If you select none, you'll have to enter all that information. So just click OK here and save it. And we've now entered number 13V. This stamp here, you'll now have to change the variety, the information to make it the variety. I'll call this a dark green. And we can change the value. So let's say this stamp is worth, let's make it, just for argument's sake, 21,000. And let's make the used stamp worth, let's make it 1,200. And then if you had this stamp, you would just inventory it accordingly. So it's very simple. The program will use the same image as the original. If you want to change the image, just click on the image link icon. You'll have scanned in your own image, and then you can just save and use your image there. So let's add another stamp completely new. So let's say, for example, let's say we wanted to add a brand new 2013 stamp that hasn't been issued yet. I know number 5,000 has not been issued yet, so we'll just do that as an example. So just type in 5,000, hit tab. For the copy filter, I'm going to turn everything off right now because this information doesn't make sense for this new stamp. And we click on save, and you see you have a completely new entry. So you fill in the information. So this stamp was issued in 2013. Let's say the issue date was December 29th. And the denomination, let's say it's a 55-cent red. And it's unwatermarked. And let's change this to a cents. Perforation, let's say it's perf 11. And I have no idea what the description would be, but we'll just call it new stamp. And then you can just enter your values as you see fit. So let's say it's worth $1.10. And let's say the used stamp is worth 55 cents. And if you have it never hinged or mint hinged, and that's really all there is to it. Now if you had an image of this stamp, again you just click on the icon here and you would browse to your image and save it. So that's really all there is to it. It's very simple. Once you've done it a couple times, I'm sure you'll have no trouble. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye now.